I died. Okay, so I like my eggs like this. So the white done and the yellow running. Alright. City boy. And city boy. Happy boys and city boys. Not a hangover. And even bullets can't. What the fuck are these songs? I need more of these. These are good as fuck. Oh my gosh. Perfect. I'm actually getting done cooking in a good time. Oh no, what about this? I guess. Hey, Steven. Welcome, Steven. Roasted potatoes. Made a lot of food. Chicken. Boom. I'm not gonna cook the third egg. I don't want to eat it. These potatoes are good, y'all. What? Chicken. Then I'm gonna make myself some tea. The leftover water. And I put honey. Put honey. Not really. I'm gonna do Irish breakfast tea today. I'm lunch for the next
himself. Brother got a bun for 6 million. Well, he about to make them. Really had to box niggas, shot niggas. I done made it through hell. I'm from where I ain't know what it's.
Aw, okay, William. Thanks for hanging out with me. While I cook breakfast.
I do what I want when I want to, like I ain't got a deal. They want me to drop a new album, like come with 20 million. These niggas that toxic, they copy me, I'm real. Think these niggas came out my nuts or something. Supposed to be somewhere, probably stuck somewhere. I know I'm lucky. But if I'm watching niggas like El Chapo, now it's one button.
Hey. Thanks, Millie. We're trying to hit our next start of the day. Thank you so much. Thanks, Sly.